this is Almir. It's Geek Time again, commuting with the Software Engineer series. Today's topic is going to be innovation in the company and what you need to do in order to innovate quicker. But before I get to that topic, I wanted to talk about changing the series name. Instead of calling it Commuting with the Software Engineer, because my car has a sports suspension and I tried recording videos at the beginning while I'm driving, but it ends up being very shaky and it's hard to stabilize those videos. So I'm deciding to change the whole series name from Commuting with the Software Engineer to Hanging Out with the Software Engineer. That means that you may get videos of me talking about software engineering while I'm sitting in a car or about to leave for work, or about to go from work to home, or even sitting next to the swimming pool and talking about it, or at the beach, or wherever I could be recording a software engineering videos. That's why I want to call it Hanging Out with the Software Engineer, starting from this episode and on. So as I said, the topic is innovation in the company and how you can do quick innovation. Typically you would have a team of software engineers, and then you would have a senior or more of a lead software engineer or technical lead, depending how you call it in different companies. You would have a scrum master, and then also a software engineering manager. And software engineering manager could be managing that specific squad or that team or multiple teams all together. There are always people who are superstars in your company, and you know who those superstars are. Some of those superstar software engineers have skills, and they've proven that they can be tech leads in leading a group of software engineers to deliver something. But it doesn't mean that's where they want to take their career. It doesn't mean that's the next step where they want to take their career. Maybe they are so good in programming and innovating and coming up with fancy solutions in a very short time that the company needs to realize that, and we need to leverage their skills the best way possible. What does that mean? If you put that type of person who is a superstar, who can come up with any type of software, if you guide them or give them some help, they can come up with all kinds of crazy ideas and implement them very quickly. But if you put those type of people to be, let's say, tech leads, or to be managers, or some type of leaders on the floor, they may feel that their skills are not being utilized the best way. Maybe in 5 years they would like to be tech leads, or they would like to be software engineering managers and so on. But at this time, their skills, software engineering skills and programming skills, are at such a high level. I call them superstars on the floor, and they know who they are, and everybody in the company knows who those people are. The best way to is clear all the roadblocks for them. Basically, even software engineering managers, scrum masters, directors, even like solutions architects, we need to clear all the obstacles away from them, so those superstar software engineers can concentrate and build something amazing. If you create that type of culture, then other software engineers can look at these superstar software engineers and they can say, yes, I want to do the same thing. I want to innovate. I want to get better, and I want to improve my skills, day-to-day programming skills, solving problems. When I say these guys are superstars, superstar software engineers, they are superstar problem solvers when it comes to computer science and software engineering. So what do? I'm not saying go put these guys in this group of software engineers, superstars, in a separate room or in a separate building and hide them from everybody else. They should still sit among everybody else, but they would be assigned specific tasks. However you want to call them, special projects. And maybe those projects last for a month or two, or maybe 3 months or 4 months. You can start with shorter periods, allocate some time, clear all obstacles and roadblocks, allow these superstars to innovate without too much process going on around, and then you can watch what the results are. Doesn't mean that you cannot kind of stand on the sidelines and help them out and maybe steer a little bit in the direction they want to go, but you don't want to distract or disrupt them too much in their innovation process. So basically, if you create this type of environment where occasionally you can put the superstars in some type of a special team, but not separate them from the rest of the software engineers on the floor, then you increasing their passion level about what they do at work. They will be, if they love what they're doing at work, they'll be thinking about these things at home, and then they'll bring those ideas from home to work and innovate even further. And the software engineers who don't happen to be in this group, I mean, they're still hanging out, they're still sitting next to other superstars on the floor, and they should look up to them. They shouldn't envy these group of people. They shouldn't say, oh, look at those guys, they're working on cool projects, we are not working on the cool projects. You should look at it a positive way. You should say, yeah, those guys are working on cool projects, I want to get better, I want to see what I can do to get into those shoes. That's basically what I wanted to talk about today. It's innovation at work, and how you can quickly start the innovation and get it kick-started within a company, but without causing too much of a situation where you say those guys versus these guys. Everybody is still sitting together. Everybody is still working for the same business line. Everybody has the same goals overall that are achieved by your managing directors. But it doesn't mean that you cannot have superstars awarded and working on these type of problems, innovating and coming up with some amazing ideas and amazing solutions. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and click the thumbs up button. If you don't like my videos, you can always click thumbs down button. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep geeking out.